Alright, we will be disassembling a Samsung Chromebook model XE513C24. So you're first going to want to go ahead and turn it over, and then you have 8 screws holding on the bottom cover, and these are a 2mm Phillips head. And now you have access to the inside of the laptop. Not too many parts inside this one. You have the lithium-ion battery, and then most of the components are contained inside the motherboard, except for one accessory board. Okay, so we will start with the battery. So just remove the fasteners around the battery. And then this type of connector you just want to pull straight up and it'll pop out. Alright, next we're going to remove the display assembly from the palm rest assembly. So we'll go ahead and take these connectors off first. This one has a little flip bar. You want to get your fingernail or some other tool underneath it, not metal, and then use the bar to pull it straight out. And then just go around and disconnect while you're at it. If you're removing the motherboard, just go ahead and disconnect the ribbons. So don't forget the Wi-Fi antenna. Just pull straight up on the connectors. And then you have one more connector here. Just grab it with your fingernails and then just pull it straight out. And work the wires free of the little retainers inside the laptop. Now you're left with, looks like 4 screws for the display assembly. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Take the tension off the screen. And then we'll remove the Phillips head screws. Now you should be able to remove the display as a single unit. Took a little bit of finagling. The ribbon connectors for the display kind of hold out underneath the edges here. So if you wiggle it carefully, it should come out just fine. All right, now we can remove the motherboard. Make sure all of the ribbons have been removed, and then you can remove the screws that are retaining the motherboard. You can gently remove the motherboard. Alright, now we remove the stylus keeper and then the subboard and the power button. And that's it. We will be leaving the palm rest in one piece, but if you needed access to the touchpad, speakers, or keyboard, easy access here, also with the Wi-Fi antenna. So there you go.